To use Duolingo application offline. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can use a Duolingo application offline or whether it is possible or not. Now as you can see, I have opened up Duolingo application on the background previously, but I've closed it. So I've turned off my Wi-Fi and the mobile network as well. So my device is not connected to the internet right now. So what happens if I open Duolingo application? Will it load up? Well, let's check that out. As you can see, I'm offline. It shows right at the top here, and I'm able to see the lesson here. I can proceed to tap on it, and if I tap on start the lesson, here you can see my lesson has started. So basically you will be able to view your lessons and practice them. However, you won't be able to see any other extra features. So you can see my profile feature or feed feature is unavailable. Only my lessons feature is available, and that too only my first lesson will be available, as that will have been downloaded already. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.